I'm Soo-Jung-Oh. We finally developed an innovative auto leveling sensor named BLTouch for 3D printers. BLTouch can be applied to almost every 3D printer that has the open source. It uses the same previous servo signal. This video shows BLTouch connected to the signal connector with a previous servo motor in parallel. You can use this amazing small machine just by switching servo motor to BLTouch. BLTouch has a smart function. It returns to the right position immediately when it strays. When the problem is not solved, the LED light flickers and tells us. Isn't it smart? We will keep developing BLTouch technologies for future 3D printer users. With BLTouch, 3D printing will be much easier and exciting.